Section 1. Welcome to Digestion Adventure with Miss Cathy. Hey there, explorers. I'm Miss Cathy, and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of your digestive system. We're going on an adventure to uncover how your body transforms food into energy. Buckle up, because we'll use the 5E model. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. We'll add subtitles so you can read along as I speak. Learning about our bodies can be super fun. And remember, knowledge is power. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Are you ready to rock and roll? Section 2. Engage. The yum factor. Think about your favorite foods. Pizza maybe? A big bowl of pasta? Or perhaps a juicy burger. We eat because food gives us energy. But how does our body turn a slice of pizza into fuel for playing games, studying, or even just breathing? That's where our digestive system comes in. It's like a super cool machine inside us, breaking down food into tiny bits that our bodies can use. It's a fascinating process, and we're going to learn all about it. Get ready to be amazed by the power of your own body. Section 3. Explore. The mouth, our food's first pit stop. Our journey begins in the mouth. When you take a bite, your teeth get to work, chopping and grinding the food into smaller pieces. This is called mechanical digestion, like a tiny food processor in your head. But that's not all. Saliva, that watery stuff in your mouth, joins the party. It contains special chemicals called enzymes that start breaking down starches in your food. This is called chemical digestion. Chewing and saliva work together to make food easier to swallow. Section 4. Explain esophagus. The food slide. Once you swallow, the food doesn't just fall into your stomach. It takes a ride on a slide called the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. It squeezes the food downwards, kind of like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. This squeezing action is called peristalsis, and it happens throughout your digestive system, moving food along like a slow-moving roller coaster. It's amazing how our bodies work, isn't it? Section 5. Elaborate. Stomach. The churning champion. Next stop, the stomach. This is where the real action happens. Think of your stomach as a powerful blender. It mixes the food with strong acids and enzymes, breaking it down even further. This churning and mixing process can take a few hours, turning your food into a soupy mixture called chyme. The stomach also acts as a storage tank, so you don't have to eat all the time. Pretty neat, right? Your stomach works hard to digest your food, so be sure to thank it next time you eat. Section 6. Explore. Small intestine. Tiny but mighty. Now the chyme is ready for the small intestine. Don't let the name fool you though. It's actually the longest part of your digestive system, about 20 feet long. Here, most of the nutrients from your food are absorbed into your bloodstream. The small intestine has tiny finger-like projections called villi. that increase its surface area. This helps it absorb more nutrients efficiently. Like tiny straws, they suck up all the good stuff from your food. Section 7. Explain liver and pancreas, the digestive sidekicks. The liver and pancreas are like the digestive system's best friends. They don't directly touch the food, but they produce important juices that help with digestion. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats, while the pancreas produces enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These juices are delivered to the small intestine through special tubes. It's a team effort, and everyone has their role to play. Together, they ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs from the food you eat. Section 8. Elaborate. Large intestine, the water reclaimer. Finally, we reach the large intestine, also known as the colon. By now, most of the nutrients have been absorbed. The large intestine's main job is to absorb water from the leftover waste, making it more solid. This process prevents dehydration and keeps your body balanced. The large intestine also houses trillions of helpful bacteria that break down any remaining food particles and help produce certain vitamins. Eventually, the waste is compacted into stool, which is stored in the rectum until it's time to say goodbye. Section 9. Evaluate. You are what you eat. And that's our digestive system in a nutshell. We've seen how food is broken down, nutrients are absorbed, and waste is eliminated. It's a complex and fascinating process, don't you think? Remember, the food you eat affects your overall health and well-being. Choose nutritious foods and enjoy the journey of digestion. And always remember, be blessed and be a blessing to others.